Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking, fully upgraded X-Lord in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the head shape first. So we're going to draw the very top. Let's draw one curve like this first. It's a little bit flatter. And then the side will come down pretty much a straight line. So this is almost like a box. Okay, and then from the side here, just taper it down. This is the jawline. And we'll just close it off for the chin area. Okay, so that's the head shape, and now let's add the details inside. So for the details, we're going to start out with the eye area first. Okay, so here's the middle, just kind of go up slightly, draw a little line. And then just draw a little bracket. Okay, and then once you have this bracket, extend this line, bottom a little bit more. And then now it just goes almost straight down. There's a slight slant to it. Okay, so now let's draw in the outside of this shape here. Draw another line and then slant down again. Same as this line. And then just go out. And then to finish off the mask area, just come to the side here. Just draw one slant coming down. Okay, so same thing here. Alright, and then on the inside, let's just draw in those little holes there. I'm just going to start out one in the middle. And let me shade it in real quick. And now draw two more up here. And then one more on the side here. I know there's more. You can add in more if you like, but I'll just keep it simple. Alright, and then in the middle here, it's got a little bar. Okay, and then for the spikes, right here, just draw like this 2U shape first. And then from those ends, just go up a little angle. And then there's more in the back. So I'm just gonna just kind of follow this same angle here. This one's a little bit longer. Okay, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So right here on the neck, just come down. And then now for the shoulder, go all the way out. Okay, and then come down here. Here's his armpit. And then continue this line all the way down to his waist. Close it off. And then here's the belt, so just one section. Just one rectangular shape. And let's just add the belt buckle, just two lines. Alright, so now let's add in some the armor pieces and straps on his body. So on this side here, I'm just going to continue with this line, just close it off. So here's the armpit. And then on the neck area right here, just come down. He's got a little thing that goes over his shoulder. And then from this corner, slant all the way down. It's going to be part of the strap. And the same thing here. So that's one strap. And let's add in a little bit detail inside. So I'm just going to add in two lines and just close it off. And then for the spikes, it's one big one here. Alright, and before we draw in the arm, we need to draw in, he's got some armor pieces up here. So I'm going to extend this up. Here's the armpit, go up a little bit, slant it all the way out. So this is going to be a pretty big piece here. And then whatever space you have here, just round it off. Alright, and let's see, let's go ahead and draw on the other side first. But this side is a little bit different, the armor piece is different from this. So here's the armpit again. And then we're going to start on the top here. We'll just slant down. From this corner, go up. And then whatever space here, just curve it and close it. And let's finish this area out with a strap right on the corner. Let's come into this strap and then same thing on the bottom here. Okay, so now we can draw in his arms. So part of his shoulders in here, obviously. We're gonna start out with the bicep. Curve right around here, come down. And for this one, we can close it off first. And then the lower arm will flare this out. Turn, and this one is straight down. Close it. And then for the fist, just a little hook. And you can actually close this, it's got those open finger gloves. And then here's the back of the fist. Just turn it and then close it. And let's just go ahead and add in a little spike right here. Okay, and then for the details here, right in the middle here, just one line. And then for the strap, just two lines going this way. All right, so now let's draw on the other side. So here's the armpit again. Bracket, here's the arm, bicep area. Lower arm, flare out. Turn, and straight down. Close it, and then same thing here on his fist. Just come back up with a little box. Back of the fist, turn it and close it. And I don't think he's got spike on this side, but it does have a strap up here. So I'm just gonna draw two lines. All right, and let's see some musculature on his body right here. Right in the middle, I'll just draw one line first. I'll draw his chest muscles. And then the corner up here, just slant out. And then come across. So that's gonna be his chest. And then from the armpit area, just one line going in. All right, and then for the abdomen here, right in the middle, it's one line. And then for his six pack, let's draw lines going out. And then up here, just slight little curve. It looks a little bit strange, so let's just go ahead and go all the way down. Okay, so same thing here. We can't see this. It's gonna come right down here. All right, so now let's move on to his legs. So for his legs, right in the middle here, just draw one line. Come back to the middle, little extra fold, and then let's start on the side here. Little hook, back to the middle, come down, little hook, and then close this off. So this is gonna be his knee. We'll just draw a little box. And then one line in the middle. Okay, so the other side, same thing here. Slant out, come back in, close to the middle here, come down, little hook, close it, and then same thing here, just a little box, and then same detail. All right, so let's move on down and finish up the rest of his legs first, and then we'll come back up and draw in all those little details. Okay, so lower leg, flare out, come down, curve, this one's straight, and then this one's a little bit different. He's got a really big flap on his shoe, so I'm gonna curve up, and then come down. So this is almost like a little egg shape right here. And then now we can finish up the bottom of the shoe. So I'm gonna curve this way, and I'm gonna draw a dome shape going down. Just come out a little bit more on this side, close it, and then one line for the sole. And let's add one more strap detail in here. So just on the corner, just go side to side. Okay, so other side, same thing. Flare out, curve in, this one straight down, close it going up with a little curve, and now drawing the egg shape, just continue it down, close it with a curve, going this way. And then now we can draw in the dome shape. Just come out more on this side. Close it. And then same detail here, just go side to side. Alright, and then now back up here, let's finish up all those little straps here. So from this corner, I'm going to draw one big line going out this way. And then draw another one up here. So this is one strap. And we can add in a little buckle here. 2 lines, and then in the center, just add a little rectangle. Okay, and it's got a pouch right here on the side. So just come down, just come out, and just come down. Okay, so these are very easy to draw, right? Once you have the overall shape. Okay, right here, one strap. Same thing here, just 2 lines for the little buckle. And then up here, slant it into this strap. And the same thing here, little buckle. And then one more pouch on the side. And that is it for this fully upgraded X-Lord. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.